The area of Nigeria is 946,000 kilometers square to 3 SF. Calculate the lower and upper bands of the area of Nigeria. Solution. Now we have 946,000 kilometers square as the approximate value to the actual area of Nigeria, which is to 3 SF. Now for 3 SF, we know normally we start with the first non-zero digit from the left. And from here we have 1, 2, 3. So we can see 6. We are now considering 6. Now, what is the place value of 6 in this number? From the back, we know that this is 0 unit. This is 0 tens. And this is 0 hundred. While the place value of 6 in 946,000 is going to be what? 6 hundreds. So this is 100. No, 6,000 rather. 6,000. Why for this 4 is going to be 10,000. Why for this 9 is going to be 100,000. Please take note. So the place value of 6 here is 6,000. So for the 1,000, what does that represent? That is 1,000. And 1,000 is same thing as 100. So this is what we are going to use to calculate our error. So error will be equals to plus or minus, that is 1,000 divided by 2. And that will be equals to plus or minus 500. Now we calculate the lower band. The lower band is equals to what? We are going to have 946,000 minus, what do we have here? That is 500 kilometers square. And this is going to be equals to what? 945,500 kilometers square. Now for the upper band, it's going to be 946,000, then plus the plus value here, that is the positive value, which is plus 500, then kilometer square, which is equal to what? 946,500 kilometer square. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.